Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. The reason we are here today is because I'm very excited to announce the release of the first ever translator for Ghanaian languages based on artificial intelligence produced by Azunre and Ghana NLP. About a year ago, I stood in the hallways of NewRIP's global conference, the biggest AI conference in the world, and I noticed a pattern. I noticed that there was no work on any Ghanaian languages, there were no tools being developed for any Ghanaian languages, unlike many other languages even in Africa, such as Ethiopian languages. And as such, the idea for Ghana NLP was born. Since then, a lot of people have come on board and helped us with this vision. And I'm very happy to announce today that we are releasing this app, the first ever app for translating Ghanaian languages. And so let me show you how this works. So we have a web app and we also have an Android app. So I'm going to show you the Android app first. So here you can see some concept images of it. It's called Khaya, after a tree that's very common in Africa that is called African mahogany. As I already said, it has been produced in collaboration between Ghana NLP and Azunre Research. You're going to have to make a decision on what to log in with, whether with Google or Facebook. So we are going to use Google this time. And as you can see, there are 4 languages currently supported. So we can translate between English and any one of 3 popular Ghanaian languages: Twi, Ga, and Ewe. And so let's try this really quickly. Let's try something simple. Wuhuti then. Seems right. Let's try to reverse translate this to see what the reverse translator thinks. So let's translate from Twi into English. So let's paste the translation we found. How do you do? That's actually pretty good, isn't it? By the way, if you want to type in the local language, you can get the Kasahara app, which is a keyboard, and you can use it together with the Khaya app for typing directly in your local language, if you want. Okay, so this works, and I encourage you to try it. What you can do, if you find that the translation is not very good, you can enter an alternative translation here and submit it. Submit this feedback. And what this is going to do is we are going to incorporate this suggestion into the next release, and it's going to become better over time and everybody is going to benefit from it. So I encourage you to do this. I also ask that you share this with your friends, with your family. This is ad supported because we are experimenting with a way of making this sustainable. So a way to pay for all the servers and all the costs associated with hosting this app in the cloud. But also what we are going to do is take 50% of any proceeds that come from this, invest them into the product, and take the other 50% and invest it into research, fundamental research, AI research, applied mathematical research, computer science research by organizations such as Ghana NLP and others. And as you know, in Ghana, we do not have, the government is not in a position to support a lot of these research efforts. And so we are trying to find a sustainable way, a self-sustaining way of achieving this. And we need you to help us. So please use the app, please share it with your friends, and please do submit feedback on the performance. I also want to alert you that even if you don't have an Android app, you can use our web app. And so you can just go to translate.ghananlp.org. That's our link. And this will take you to our translator, which has all of the same functionality and more. The functionality it has all of the same functionality I just showed you in the Android app. Additionally, you can test various hyperparameters, so you can get under the hood of how this is working and change hyperparameters that affect the output and see how it's changing in real time. I encourage you to try this. You can provide translations to us for random sentences, or you can provide your own sentence. And finally, you can find out more about Ghana NLP, which is the collective open source effort on which a lot of this is built. So once again, thank you for joining us, and thank you for paying attention, and I hope you find this exciting. I hope you try this. Please do hit us up. Facebook, Instagram, email. Our goal is to contribute something positive for everyone, so if you can help us with that, we'd be very grateful. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Stay safe out there. See you next time.